Standard 6, Subject Science. This is our revision video of lesson number 12, Simple Machine Part 3. In our previous video, we had studied about an inclined plane, Archimedes screw and wedges. Let's start. What is a lever? What is a lever? A lever is a simple machine that is used to lift things. It is made up of a bar called the lever stick and a support called the fulcrum. Levers are simple machines. They are used to do work with the least amount of effort. There are many objects we use daily that are levers. There are different parts and section of a lever. You have the fulcrum and lever stick. You also have a force side and a load side. The relationship between the position of the load side, fulcrum and force side determine what class of lever it is. For example, a farmer is using a strong crowbar to remove the big stone bogged down in the farm. Such a machine is called lever. A lever has a three-part, namely effort, load and fulcrum. The support at which the rod of a lever is rested is called the fulcrum of a lever. The lever rotates about the fulcrum. The weight lifted by a lever of the force against which the lever acts is called the load. The arm of the lever from the fulcrum to the load is called load arm. The force applied on the other hand of the rod to lift the is called the effort. The part of the lever from the fulcrum to effort is called effort arm. There are three classes of lever. They differ in the placement of fulcrum, effort and load along the lever. The three types are first class lever, second class lever and third class lever. There are three types of levers depending upon the position of the effort, fulcrum and the load. Lever of the first order. The fulcrum is in the center, the load is at one end while the effort is at the other end. Example of lever of first order, hammer and scissor. You can see children, fulcrum is in the center, the load is at one end while the effort is at other end. Lever of the second order. The load is in the center, the fulcrum on one side and the effort on the other side. Example of second class lever, bottle opener and nut cracker. Load is in the center, the fulcrum on one side and the effort on the other side. Lever of the third order, the effort is in the center, the fulcrum on one side and the load on the other side. Example of third class lever, tweezer and staple remover. The effort is in the center, the fulcrum on one side and the load on the other side. In our next video, we are going to study about a pulley, a wheel and axle and maintenance of machine. Thank you.